everyone. Last time I told you about my morning routine madness. Well, today we're talking about the commute.
How do you get to work or school? Do you walk, take a train, drive, or run like Sarah?
Sadly, yes. Sometimes I run. Let me tell you what happened this week. Actually, 3 different days, 3 different commutes. So, Monday morning, I was feeling healthy. I thought, I'll walk to this station.
Nice. How far is it?
About 15 minutes. Not too bad. I grabbed my water bottle, headphones, and started walking.
A peaceful walk to the train?
Peaceful until it started to rain.
No! Did you have an umbrella?
Nope, just my hoodie. By the time I got to the train station, I was soaked. The platform was crowded. I waited. Finally, the train came, packed again.
You stood the whole time?
Yep. And the guy next to me was eating tuna on a train. Ew.
Let's review some train-related phrases. Repeat after us. Station. Platform, where you wait. Train arrives. Crowded.
And someone was eating tuna on the train.
Okay, what happened on Wednesday?
Wednesday, I thought, no walking. I'll just take the bus. The bus stop is 1 block from my house.
Sounds easy.
Should have been, but the bus was late. Then, when it finally came, it was full.
So you couldn't get on.
I squeezed in. I was standing near the front door with people all around me.
Were you comfortable?
Not at all. The bus kept stopping every 10 seconds. The driver slammed the brakes. I almost fell on someone.
Let's review some bus-related phrases. Repeat after us. Bus stop. The bus is full. Stand near the front. Hold the rail. The driver hit the brakes. I almost fell on someone. Okay, Friday. Please tell me it was better.
It was different. I drove.
Wow, fancy.
I thought, this will be faster. I got in the car at 8 a.m., started driving, no rain, no tuna, no brakes.
Sounds smooth.
Until I hit traffic.
Oh no.
I was stuck at the same intersection for 15 minutes.
Say it with us. I was stuck in traffic.
Then, no parking.
Of course. Driving is nice, but there's more vocabulary to know. Repeat after us. Traffic jam. Stoplight. Intersection. No parking. Late for work.
Driving to work equals freedom until it's not.
Let's see what you remember. Ready?
On Monday, how did I commute? walked to the station, and took the train. What happened on the train? I stood next to the guy with tuna.
How did Wednesday go? Sarah took the bus and almost fell on someone.
And on Friday? I drove and got stuck in traffic.
In this episode, we used a lot of past tense verbs. Here's a quick review. I walked to the station. I took the train. I waited at the platform. I got on the bus. I drove to work. I was late.
You're learning not just what to say, but how to tell a story in English.
Let's practice together. We will ask, you answer. Question 1. How do you usually go to school or work?
Do you ever walk?
Do you take a bus or a train?
Do you drive?
Great! Now say it in a full sentence. I usually blank to work. Awesome!
Let's hear it one last time. Sarah, give us the quick version of your week.
Monday, I walked to the station, got rained on, stood next to Tuna Man on the train. Wednesday, took the bus, packed like sardines, almost fell. Friday, drove to work, hit traffic, couldn't park, almost cried.
What a journey!
So, what's your commute like?
Tell us in the comments using the words and phrases we learned today.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more real-life English.
With English Fluency Fuel.